How to delete YouTube channel on phone permanently. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll show you how can you delete YouTube channel on phone permanently. Now to do it, so what next you want to do is watch this video right till the end. So open up a browser and on the web address bar type in studio.youtube.com and that's going to take you to their official page. So click on studio.youtube.com and here you want to click on or continue to YouTube Studio. After which you're taken to this section. What you want to do is you want to simply, at the bottom of the screen you could see there is this gear icon. You want to click that, and as you click on the gear icon, what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on channels. As you go to channels, then you want to go ahead and click on advanced settings. As you go to advanced settings, what next you want to do is you just want to simply go ahead and right at the bottom, if you scroll down, you could find this option is remove YouTube content. You want to click that link, and as soon as you go ahead and click on it, it's going to ask you to verify it. So go ahead and enter in the verification. Once done, you'll be taken to the next field where you want to go ahead and click on permanently delete my account. So select that. If you're sure about it, mark on the terms and condition and click on delete my content. And with that being said, you'll be asked to type in some sort of verification or maybe a password or give a reason, all that. And with that being said, you'll have successfully deleted YouTube channel on your phone permanently. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.